Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today, we're checking out a bike that continues to dominate the entry-level sport bike segment with its sharp looks, impressive performance, and everyday usability, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400. You're a new rider or a seasoned enthusiast looking for a fun, lightweight machine. This Ninja proves that big thrills don't always require big displacement. Asterisk. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 has been a game changer since it was first introduced. It replaced the older Ninja 300 and brought with it more power, better handling, and a more aggressive design. The 2025 model keeps the same winning formula but with some refinements to stay ahead of the competition. Asterisk, let's start with the engine. Powering the 2025 Ninja 400 is a 399cc parallel twin engine that produces around 49 horsepower and 38 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and incredibly smooth, giving you a perfect balance between city commuting and weekend fun. The power delivery is predictable and linear, making it beginner-friendly, yet punchy enough for experienced riders to enjoy. Asterisk, this bike is extremely light, weighing in at just around 168 kilograms, 370 pounds, which means it handles like a dream. Whether you're carving through twisties or maneuvering through traffic, the Ninja 400 feels nimble and agile. The lightweight chassis, combined with a trellis frame inspired by the Ninja H2, adds to the bike's responsiveness and overall performance. Asterisk, the suspension setup is simple but effective. A telescopic fork at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. It's tuned for comfort and control, offering a smooth ride on most road conditions. Braking duties are handled by a 310mm pedal disc up front and a 220mm disc at the rear, with dual-channel ABS as standard. The brakes provide strong and progressive stopping power, essential for both new and experienced riders. Asterisk, now let's talk design. And this is where the Ninja 400 really stands out. The 2025 model carries the aggressive styling of its bigger Ninja siblings with sharp lines, a sculpted fairing, twin LED headlamps, and a sporty tail section. It looks fast even when standing still. Kawasaki offers the bike in multiple new color schemes for 2025, including striking KRT Kawasaki Racing Team. Graphics that give it a proper race bike vibe. Asterisk, the ergonomics are well balanced, sporty, but not extreme. The handlebars are slightly raised, and the seat is low and narrow, making it easy to reach the ground. This makes the Ninja 400 comfortable for every day riding while still allowing for a tucked-in position when you're riding more aggressively. Asterisk, tech-wise, the Ninja 400 keeps it simple but functional. It features a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog tachometer and a digital display for speed, fuel, gear position, and more. No fancy touchscreen or ride modes here, and that's part of the charm. It's all about riding without unnecessary distractions. Asterisk, fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Ninja 400. You can expect around 25 to 30 kilometers per L, depending on your riding style, which makes it not only fun but economical too. Asterisk, now for the price. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 is priced at around $5,699 United States dollars for the standard variant. Prices may vary depending on location, taxes, and additional features. In markets like India, the price is expected to be around 5.2 lakh ex-showroom. That's a solid deal for a bike that offers performance, style, and everyday practicality in one sleek package. Asterisk, so who is the Ninja 400 for? It's perfect for beginners who want a reliable and capable first sport bike. It's also a great second bike for experienced riders looking for something light and fun without going full super sport. Whether you're using it for daily commuting, weekend rides, or even track days, the Ninja 400 delivers in all areas. Asterisk, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want more bike updates, first rides, and comparisons, make sure to subscribe to Bike Scout and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Ride safe and see you in the next video.